Who's ready to slide right into a great investment home in Fiji on Denarau Island? Hey everybody, Baron and Bren Bruno, Professionals FIJI Real Estate, the #1 real estate agency in Fiji and the only international real estate agency in this 333 island nation. And we are standing in the precinct called the Links, and it's called the Links for a reason because as you can see right over there, there's one of the holes to the Denarau golf course. So really beautiful, great privacy in this home too. You have all this beautiful tropical flowers and plants giving you that privacy that you need. But look at this view, really cute family home. And so if you're considering coming to Fiji for full time for a job, or perhaps maybe looking for just a really solid holiday home, if you're out in Australia or New Zealand or Canada or US or Asia and you want something that your family and friends can use, or you can rent out, this is a winner. Great, nice, you can see privacy, shutters all the way throughout. We like these because look at, you can see light, brings in that natural light. Very wonderful to have light and bright. Flat screen TV, Pacific green, sustainable, locally designed and made furniture right here in Fiji. And you see that as the home is, comes fully furnished, self-contained. Everything is in here. And you can see, look at this cute French bistro style backsplash with a big granite countertop, nice big prep island with the prep sink, double sinks here, dishwasher, microwave, oven, 4 gas burner stovetop with the vent hood, lots of storage. And look at right in there, you're gonna wanna put some nice wine bottles up in there because you're gonna wanna pop open something nice to celebrate your Fiji living here and tell everybody about all the incredible things you've been able to do here, like the world-class surfing at Cloud Break and frigates, perhaps some of the best soft coral diving on this planet at Rainbow Reef or the Cabbage Patch. Or maybe you want to talk about all the incredible pelagic fishing you've done, maybe the tuna, mahi-mahi, or walu, or barracuda that you caught. I caught myself a barracuda, oh gosh, about 6 months ago, and that was a lot of fun. Here's the double car garage enclosed with the automatic opener there. And they just did some nice tile work here. This owner does great work. Very high quality. So if you're purchasing a home here or anywhere in the world and anywhere in Fiji, you want to make sure that you get quality. You can see both washer and dryer, lots of extra storage. And here's that great room again. Really nice views. So you have the 3-bed, 2-bath plus this office off to the side. And this could also be a 4th bedroom, but they have it set up so when you're not out having fun on the islands, you can maybe do a little bit of work while you're here in Fiji as well. So those people that are looking to do online businesses, you can work anywhere in the world. You got a great office right there. Come out here, watch some TV and Netflix, watch the kids playing in the pool and down the slide. Artificial turf, so very low maintenance, low expense, tiled throughout, easy, and beautiful paint colors. This is stocked with all your linens and towels. And let's go over to the first bedroom and you can see there's the air con, ceiling fans, recessed lighting, nice side yard. You also have a really beautiful front yard as well. Great views. And the Nandi International School bus picks up just literally steps this way. So if you do have kids and they're going to be going to the international school here, this is one of the most popular precincts for families because there are kids living in this precinct that's 24/7 gated, and it's close to Port Denarau Marina with the cruise ships, all the restaurants, retail, coffee, bars, wine stores, nightlife, entertainment, live music, and of course Professionals Real Estate office where we work. Here is bedroom 2. And again, very open feel, nice wardrobes there, another air con unit. These bedrooms are very large, so when you're looking for a home to purchase here in Fiji, especially in Denarau. You want to make sure that you have really adequate size and that the home was built solidly. And you can see these are all cement blocks, so very solid construction and really high ceilings, which makes it really, really nice and cool. Lots of natural light in this home. So this is the back bedroom, which you can make the master suite with the double sinks and the wardrobe there. And you're probably not going to be hanging many clothes because you probably will just have your bathing suits, those Bula Hawaiian shirts as we call them. And there's some extra storage there in your walk-in shower. But really, really clean, cute, quaint, nice home. So if you're looking for something of quality here in Fiji, this is definitely a big time winner. You'll also see this gate here which goes across. This is for in case you have little kids. You can have them outside playing and make sure that they're not going to get access to the pool while you're cooking or entertaining. So you have that added level of safety. And then another sitting area over here as well. So find out more. Go to professionalsfiji.com. Call us at +679-999-2051 to find out more about this really beautiful home for sale and all of our listings available here in Fiji. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Have a beautiful day. Anaka.